The Alchemy 5 is a new generation Fresnel LED washlight, suitable for theaters and television studios. Thanks to a custom 6-color LED engine, Alchemy 5 is able to deliver a high-quality spectrum. DTS's HQS trademark identifies the ability to generate a superior white light and a much broader color gamut than traditional RGBW color synthesis, with pastel shades and rich warm nuances. Alchemy 5 uses the most innovative technologies available on the market to generate great uniform white light. Alchemy 5 offers technical functions to fine-tune whites. The CCT linear control from 1800 to 10,000 Kelvin allows to meet any camera or production requirement. The measurements taken on Alchemy 5's whites match the black body locus coordinates almost perfectly. The linearly adjustable green-magenta point, useful for adapting to any complexion shade or different light sources. The right color for your lighting design is always at hand, with 100 digital gel filter emulations. The gel emulations can be shifted from full color back to CCT by setting the desaturation level. This generates countless variations of color. Alchemy 5 also allows to crossfade between any gel filter and another, creating a world of dynamically changing colors. Both gel desaturation and crossfade can be controlled linearly. Gel filter's color response fully adapts to different CCT values, the same as happens to a gel filter when adapting to different light sources. Deep blue and deep red filters can be selected via DMX to further extend the range of colors generated by the multi-chip LED, enlarging the two ends of the visible spectrum. Furthermore, Alchemy 5 allows to create any color from scratch, using the 6-color advanced RAW mode. Alchemy 5 provides features suitable for professional applications. With its large 250mm diameter Fresnel lens, coupled with a 10° to 47° zoom, this fixture can project an extra bright beam, evenly diffused with any zoom angle. The high-Q dimming technology guarantees perfectly linear fade-in and fade-out at all dimming levels. Moreover, the product is equipped with specific accessories and functions that complete its perfect usability. 2 DMX selectable frost filters enable to change from hard edge to a choice of soft edge projections. A beam shaper, 2:1 ratio, with endless indexable rotation. And a motorized top hat that avoids any glare and retracts automatically when the fixture is switched off.